All right, we are in the Ghostly Glades tournament in the Wednesday qualifying round, and we are on hole number 1. So let's go to Golf Clash Notebook and check out hole number 1. And hole number 1 is one of our old holes, and we're going to be using a quarterback to go from here to here and go right at the green. We're actually trying to get a hole in one, so we're going to be using a Kingmaker so we can get maximum side spin. And we can use our quarterback so that we can apply some backspin so we can actually stop on the green. Now what I've been coming in just a little hot, so I've been applying all of the side spin, and that kind of takes away some of the backspin. So we're gonna play a little different. We're gonna use a Kingmaker, so we've got a lot of side spin on our ball, and we're gonna use our quarterback. Those should be the only two things we need here. Hopefully we can leave our putter at home. And we will go for it. Skip dippers. See what we got. Let's go first. We always go first. So there's maximum club. We want to be a couple rings away from the rough here. We're going to apply maximum backspin, and then we're going to try and get however much curl we can on that. We're going to take out the wind, which is 3.5 rings. Now we haven't been using maximum backspin. So we'll see what this looks like. We've been coming in a little fast, and I would rather roll off to the hole. So that's what we're looking for right there, is that effect. We've been coming in a little fast and ended up down on the fringe down there. So I wanted to be able to put in a little more backspin and be able to adjust it out with curl as opposed to side spin coming in fast. I think that's going to give us a better shot to roll it into the hole for a hole in one on a par 4. So I'll have to go back and watch the video and see how much curl I put on that. I think my distance, as far as distance wise, that was pretty good. I think if we'd had the right amount of curl on that, we would have been in the ballpark. But what you don't want to do is end up where our opponent's at. You don't want to be in the sand here. You want to give yourself an eagle. You have to get an eagle on this hole. I mean, it's just this hole here is an absolute, you've got to get an eagle on it. If you don't get an eagle on this hole, you're pretty much taking yourself out of the possibility of getting a win or even a top 3. I mean, you could pick up a shot by getting a hole in one or an albatross on one of these holes, but you want to use those to get you the win. You don't want to lose the win because you didn't get an eagle on this hole. This hole's crucial. When the second you get a Spitfire or sand wedge, you want to start using it, because you can use your Spitfire like you use your rapier, where you can bump and run. It's got such great topspin. That would have been a shot where you'd have topspinned it in, and that ball would have went in the hole. All right, that was hole number 1 of the Ghostly Glades tournament rookie qualifying round, Wednesday's edition. Thanks for watching.